What if I tell you that waking up at 5 am will not make you successful? Yeah, you hear that right. Because millions of people wake up at 5 am every day, but not all of them become rich, disciplined, or successful. So, why do billionaires, athletes, and top performers still swear by the 5 am rule? Is it really a secret formula or just another overhyped productive trend? So, stay with me because by the end of this video, you will know exactly whether the 5 am rule is for you and how to use it correctly without ruining your sleep or your life. And in this video, I'll also talk about 20-20-20 formula and how to wake up at 5 am. Now let's begin. So the 5 am rule became popular because of Robin Sharma, author of the 5 am club. The idea is simple: wake up at 5 am, use the early morning hours for self-improvement, not survival. No notifications, no WhatsApp messages, no work pressure. Just you and your mind. Sounds powerful, right? But here is the truth nobody tells you. The 5 am rule is not about waking up early, it's about winning the first hour of your day. Let me share you a short story. There is a guy named Arav, not rich, not famous, just a normal person with a normal job. Every day looked the same. Wake up late, rush to work, scroll the phone at night, sleep with guilt. He always said, I'll change my life someday. One day, after another exhausting night of scrolling, he randomly decided to wake up at 5 am. First day, disaster. Second day, painful. Third day, almost quit. But on the 7th day, something changed. At 5 am, the world was silent. No pressure, no expectations, just peace. For the first time, he wasn't reacting to life, he was designing it. That's when the real power of the 5 am rule hit him. Waking up at 5 am is effective because your brain has the highest clarity and focus early in the morning, and it gives you quiet, uninterrupted time before the world wakes up. Your mind is fresh, distractions are minimal, which makes it easier to concentrate on important tasks. Starting the day early helps you plan instead of rushing, builds discipline, reduces stress. When you use these early hours for self-improvement like exercise, learning, or planning, you set a positive tone for the entire day. And here is a dangerous myth: if I wake up at 5 am, my life will automatically improve. No, if you wake up at 5 am and scroll Instagram, watch reels, check notifications, then congratulations, you just become a tired version of yourself. The 5 am rule works only when used with intention. Now let's talk about the correct way to use the 5 am rule. Robin Sharma suggests the 20-20-20 formula. Let's break it down realistically. First 20 minutes, move your body. Not hardcore gym, just movement. Walking, stretching, light workout. Why? Because movement wakes up your brain faster than coffee. Second 20 minutes, reflection. This is where most people skip and fail. Journaling, planning your day, writing goals, gratitude. This builds mental clarity. And last 20 minutes, growth. This is the money maker. Reading, learning a skill, watching educational content, practicing something meaningful. This is how ordinary people slowly become extraordinary. So waking up early alone won't change your life. What you do in those quiet hours will. Use that time to grow naturally, grow physically, grow professionally. Even one focused hour every morning can completely change your future. Now there is a problem, and the problem is most people fail the 5 am rule. Let's be honest, people fail because they sleep late, they force themselves suddenly, they copy routines blindly, they ignore sleep quality. If you sleep at 2 am and wake up at 5 am, then you are not disciplined, you are damaging your brain. Sleep is non-negotiable. So the question is how to wake up early, and here is the 5 point. First, fix your sleep schedule. Waking up early is impossible if you sleep late. To wake up at 5 am, you need to sleep by 10 or 10:30 pm so your body gets enough rest. Second, create a night routine. Reduce phone usage at least 30-60 minutes before bed. Dim the lights, relax your mind, and signal your brain that it's time to sleep. Third, wake up gradually, not suddenly. Don't force yourself from 8 am to 5 am in one day. Start by waking up 20-30 minutes earlier every few days until your body adjusts. Fourth, place your alarm away from the bed. This forces you to stand up, and once your body moves, your brain starts waking up. And fifth, keep your morning simple at first. Don't overload your early hours. Start with calm, easy habits so waking up early feels rewarding, not stressful. And stay consistent for 21 days. Discipline grows gradually. If you want an average life, wake up with the average crowd. But if you want an extraordinary life, wake up before the noise begins. 5 am is not a time, it's a decision. A decision to grow, a decision to lead, a decision to become unstoppable. So sleep early, wake up with purpose, protect your mornings, because while others are sleeping, you are building the life they dream about. Subscribe for more videos like this. Let me know in the comment what should be the next topic. Thank you.